Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn.
Hello friends, welcome back to my organization. Today I am going to show you which food I provide to my guppy, molly and platy fish for better growth, better color and also better immunity. If you follow my food chart list or diet list, your fish also grow fast and it will gain the color very fast. So it's not very expensive with what do you think. The food is less cost and maximum result you can find. First food is this is providing fish food, fish feed. It's very cheap but very effective. The guppy, molly, platy and also their fries or babies can eat this very easily. If you give it to them into water, it's very soft. It's become very soft. This is fast protein food, and this one is also fish food. It's very little size. I gave them also this one. Its price little high, but it's very good for fish health. Its size, you can compare this size with your optimum or any other food size. And now these ones I also gave them to optimum foods. Optimum. This is the if you want color very fast and give them high nutrition foods, protein foods. These are very effective. But this one is very costly. And if you have a big farm, big fish farm, like 1,000 and more than fish, it will be very costly for you. I also gave my food microworms. This is the early stage of microworms, so you can't see them here. This is live food, very effective for fish health. You can give your fish microworm 2 days in a week or 3. And last one, but not the least, is spirulina. I have a video on this. You can see the video by visiting this channel. It's a capsule, spirulina capsule. I gave them the powder inside the capsule. Please see the other video. I also gave them mosquito larvae and tubiflex and other live foods. Guppy can easily eat any other food you can provide them, but you have to maintain the food quality and also food habit. Don't give them too much food. They will be die for overeating or food if the food they will die for overeating. Okay, I will replay my video. This first one, protein fish feed. This is the second one, very small size. This is third one, optimum betta. Optimum for guppies. And microworms. This is the early stage, so you can't see them here. I have a video in this channel how to make microworms very easily without a starter. You can watch this also. And finally, spirulina. Okay friends, thanks for watching. Hope this video will help you to grow your fish and other problems. Please subscribe and do comment and also like and share. Thanks for watching.